C++. Let's start with the most iconic programming language in game development, C++. Known for its speed and efficiency, C++ gives developers full control over a game's performance. Key features: low-level memory management. Developers can fine-tune every aspect of the game to optimize performance. Widely supported, used in engines like Unreal Engine and CryEngine. Object-oriented programming, OOP, makes it easier to organize and reuse code. Use case: C++ is perfect for high-performance games, especially for AAA titles that demand realism and large-scale mechanics. Notable games made with C++: The Witcher 3, Fortnite, Assassin's Creed. C#. If you ever worked with Unity, then you've probably used C#. This high-level language is popular for its simplicity and versatility. Key features: beginner-friendly, easy to learn with a clean and readable syntax. Great for scripting, ideal for gameplay mechanics, AI, and user interactions. Widely supported by Unity. Unity's documentation and community make it even easier to use. Use case: from indie games to complex 3D environments. C# is the go-to language for developers working with Unity. Notable games made with C#: Among Us, Hollow Knight. Python. Python might not be the fastest language, but it's incredibly powerful for certain aspects of game development. Its simplicity makes it a favorite for prototyping and scripting AI behavior. Key features: easy to learn, perfect for beginners starting in game development, great for AI and machine learning, often used to script complex NPC behaviors. Versatile libraries, frameworks like Pygame and Panda 3 simplify development. Use case: Python is ideal for educational games, rapid prototyping, or adding smart AI elements to existing games. Notable games made with Python: Battlefield 2, Modern, Civilization 4, AI scripting. Java. Java is a powerhouse for mobile and cross-platform games. Its write once, run anywhere philosophy allows developers to create games for multi-devices with minimal adjustments. Key features: platform independence, works seamlessly on PCs, Android, and even web platforms. Extensive libraries, frameworks like libgdx simplify game development. Garbage collection automates memory management, reducing bugs. Use case: Java is a favorite for Android game development and cross-platform objects. Notable games made with Java: Minecraft. JavaScript. For browser-based games, JavaScript is a top contender. Paired with HTML5 and libraries like Phaser.js, JavaScript makes developing web games faster and efficient. Key features: cross-platform compatibility, works on any device with a web browser, dynamic content creation, great for interactive elements in games, integration with WebGL, enables 3D graphics in browsers. Use case: JavaScript is perfect for casual and multiplayer web games, especially those with cross-device functionality. Notable games made with JavaScript: 2048. Lua. Lua is a lightweight scripting language often embedded in game engines to provide flexibility for developers. Key features: fast and efficient, lightweight and perfect for scripting game mechanics, great for mods, frequently used in popular games to extend functionality, integration with engines, works seamlessly with Love 2D and Roblox Studio. Use case: Lua is commonly used for scripting AI behaviors, in-game events, and creating mods. Notable games made with Lua: Roblox, World of Warcraft. Swift. For iOS game development, Swift is the go-to language. Apple created Swift to provide speed and safety, making it ideal for games on their platform. Key features: fast performance, optimized for iOS and macOS, modern syntax, easy to read and write, powerful frameworks, works with SpriteKit and SceneKit for game development. Use case: Swift is perfect for developers creating games for iPhones and iPads. Notable games made with Swift: Crossy Road. GDScript. GDScript is the scripting language designed specifically for Godot engine. Its simplicity and tight integration making it a favorite for indie developers. Key features: custom-made for Godot, perfectly integrated with the engine's node system, Python-like syntax, easy to learn for beginners, high-level language, ideal for scripting gameplay and UI elements. Use case: GDScript is perfect for 2D and 3D indie games developed in Godot. Notable games made with GDScript: Luck Be Around the Road. Watch this video where I talk about the best free softwares and tools for game development.